Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Windows 11 update KB5101684 keeps failing with the errors, we couldn't install this update, don't worry. I'll walk you through guaranteed fixes that actually work step by step. 1. Start the app readiness service. Let's begin by enabling a service that's crucial for installing updates. Click on the Windows search bar and type Services. Open Services and scroll down to App Readiness. Double-click it. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click Apply, then Start, and finally OK. Try the update again. If it fails, continue to the next step. 2. Pause and resume Windows Update. Open Settings Windows Update. Click Pause Updates. Wait for a few seconds, then click Resume Updates. This resets temporary update errors. Still stuck? Let's restart the services. 3. Restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Go to Services again. Find Windows Update, double-click it. Set it to Automatic, click Apply, then Start. Right-click it again and select Restart. Now do the same for Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS. Double-click it set to Automatic Apply Start Restart. Now retry the update. If it's still failing, you can install it manually. 4. Download update from Microsoft Update Catalog. Go to www.catalog.update.microsoft.com. In the search box, type KB5101684. Look for the version that matches your system, Windows 11 x64. Click Download, then click the .msu link. Once downloaded, run the file. Allow it to search and install the update. After installation, restart your PC. Still not working? Let's move to the next fix. 5. Use Windows Update Recovery feature. Open Settings Windows Update. Click on Advanced Options. Select Recovery Fix Problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current Windows version without deleting your files or apps. Once done, restart and check for updates. 6. Use the Media Creation tool to reinstall safely. Visit www.microsoft.com/software-downloads/Windows11. Download the Media Creation tool. Run the tool, accept terms. Choose Create Installation Media, select ISO file. Save the ISO on desktop. Once downloaded, double-click the ISO, open setup.exe. Allow changes, click Next, then Install. Make sure Keep Personal Files and Apps is selected. This will reinstall Windows 11 and fix broken update components. 7. Enable .NET Framework. Let's start with a quick but powerful fix. Press Windows +R, type optional features.exe, and hit Enter. In the pop-up window, check both .NET Framework 3.5 and .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services. Click OK. Restart your PC. Why this works? Some updates rely on .NET services. If they're off, updates can fail instantly. 8. Use DISM and SFC to repair Windows. Now, let's repair your system files. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type this command and press Enter. DISM/online/cleanupimage/RestoreHealth. After that, type SFC/Scannow. Let both commands run fully. These tools will scan and repair any corrupted system files silently, a common cause of failed updates. 9. Disable VPN, proxy, and firewalls. Next up, let's make sure your PC can actually reach Microsoft servers. Turn off any VPN. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Proxy. Disable everything. Temporarily pause your firewall or third-party antivirus. Many updates fail just because your connection is blocked. 10. Restart Windows Update properly. Do not skip. Many users skip this, but this step is critical. Open the Start menu. Open Settings. Go to System. Select Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. Confirm again by clicking Restart Now. After restart, choose Troubleshoot. Then select Advanced Options. Click Startup Settings. Press Restart. When the system restarts again, press F4 to enter Safe Mode. Safe Mode prevents Windows Update from locking files. Delete the software distribution folder, Safe Mode. While still in Safe Mode, open File Explorer. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Find the folder named Software Distribution. Right-click on it and select Delete. If it does not delete completely, restart and repeat. Now restart your PC normally, not Safe Mode. This clears broken update files that cause KB5101684 to fail. If the update still fails, here's the reason. Your system is missing required secure boot readiness flags. Do this. Restart your PC. Enter BIOS or UEFI, usually by pressing F2, F10, or DL. Make sure Secure Boot is enabled. Boot mode is UEFI, not Legacy. TPM is enabled, firmware TPM or PTT. Save changes and exit BIOS. Now boot back into Windows and check for updates again. This final step resolves the error for users where software fixes alone do not work. 11. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. First, let's start simple. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update and click Run. This built-in tool automatically detects problems in update services, missing files, or registry entries and tries to repair them. If it fixes something, restart your PC and try the update again before moving on. 12. Reset Windows Update Components. If the troubleshooter didn't solve it, the problem might be corrupted update cache files. Let's reset them manually. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type these commands one by one, press Enter after each. netstop wazrf, netstop crypt svc, netstop bits, netstop server. rinc:\\windows /softtwa redistribution software distribution.old. rinc:\\windows /system32 /catroot2 catroot2.old. netstart wazrf, netstart crypt svc, netstart bits, netstart server. This clears the cache and rebuilds fresh update folders. Now, try installing KB5101684 again. 13. Repair system files. Sometimes the update fails because system files are damaged. Let's fix that. In Command Prompt, admin run SFC/Scannow. Wait for it to finish, then run DISM/online/cleanup image/RestoreHealth. This process repairs both system files and the Windows image that updates rely on. 14. Use the secret fix problems using Windows Update. Now here's something Microsoft doesn't talk about much, but it works surprisingly well. Go to Settings, System Recovery. Under Fix Problems using Windows Update, click Reinstall now. This reinstalls core update components without deleting your apps or files, and often forces stuck updates to work. And that's it. By following these methods, you should be able to fix update KB5101684 failing to install on Windows 11 version 25H2 or 24H2. If one of these methods helped you, let me know in the comments. And if it saved you from a reinstall or hours of frustration, please consider subscribing for more simple and real tech fixes. I post honest, working solutions for gaming errors, Windows issues, and performance tips, all tested and explained in simple steps. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions and the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off, I'ma break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft, you can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot, you got one life, better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job, no none.